Every Tuesday, Pundit and I go to the Townhouse to see the progress. Here's Ben's townhouse. All this rubble is going to be picked up by a truck. And the downstairs bathroom is still there. And the backyard. Where the Thai kitchen used to be. Here's the kitchen. The counter is all taken out. This is the mezzanine. The mezzanine overlooks the ground floor. Here's Pandit talking to our architect, Sok. Now Pandit's talking to Sok and the contractor. Okay, there's the stairs. This is the guest bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This is the bathroom of the master bedroom. This is the door to the bathroom from the master bedroom. Now we come to the top floor. This is the bathroom. This is a bedroom. Balcony. This was the maid's room. You can see the townhouses. And this will be a balcony where Ben can hang his clothes out on a rack. Right next to the laundry room. And that's the end of the tour. We had a great day.